When you actually sit back and think about it, there's a lot of things to do outdoors in Florida. I think Florida offers a lot of variety of what you can do outdoors, and free diving is one of them. Blue Heron is definitely one of the places you can experience all of that. This place is special to me because of the accessibility. Under the bridge you can actually see fish down there. If you go a little bit further, you see manatees. This is like pretty much what I think about every day when I'm not working, so this is the place to be. You just have to really just go out there and explore.